Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 7.1 grade 12. Question number 7, question number 8, 9, 10, 11. They are all same type. If you have properly to understand question number 7, then 7 to 11 you can easily solve. So what is the statement of question? That A, B, C are given, then find the value of, sorry, no, A, B, C is not, B, C, A, B, C are respectively, okay, A, B, C are respectively, so find D. We have to find D if A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, then we have to find D. So first of all, how to solve that? If A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, then we have to make a parallelogram, then we have to find its D coordinate. So what is parallelogram? Yes, what is parallelogram? Good, that whose opposite sides are equal. Whose opposite sides are equal, two opposite sides are equal. So its shape is like that. Normal we are taking its shape like that. If it is not vector, but if it is vector, then how to make its diagram? Then you will write like A, B, that is a vector, then BC, then that is an other vector BC, then CD, that is an other vector, that is CD, then DA is an other vector, right? So that is a vector AB, BC, CD and DA. According to vector method, opposite sides are equal, so we will write AB is equal to DC. So AB is equal to DC we have to write, because that is direction A to B. You will not write CD, otherwise that is a difference. What is the difference of these both vectors? Good, that is a negative vector, because equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Here direction A to B and here direction C to D. So they are opposite in direction but equal in length. That's why such type of vectors is called a negative vector. So we have to compare these two vectors because we have to find the value of D. So we can take AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. We will find value, or also BC is equal to AD, then I will help you that how to solve. The both are correct. So AB is equal to DC. Why I write DC? Because that is a vector method. So that's why some students are doing mistake. They are doing A, B, C, D. So that will be wrong. That is a vector. तो vectors के अंदर ये काम नहीं करना. A, B, C, D, like that. Okay. So AB is equal to DC. So first of all, how to find A? We will write that as equation number 1. We have to find AB. How to find AB? We have already solved in question number 5, question number 4, and also question number 5 and question number 4 we have already solved. So AB is equal to OB minus OA. Good. OB minus OA. Here I will write directly because I didn't write that 2y minus j. So OB is equal to, and one thing that is I am missing that one because D coordinate is missing with us. So D coordinate we consider that its name x comma y. So you have to say let D assume is equal to x minus y. Let D is x and y, right? So AB is equal to OB minus OA. So I am writing directly what is the value of OB? 4i, yes, plus 0j. Good. Here I use the bracket minus OA. What is the value of OA? Good. 2i and minus 4j. According to formula there is a plus sign, but if there is a negative sign, so you will write minus 4j. Open the bracket. So what will final is 4i plus 0j minus 2i, and here good plus 4j. So I component with I and j component with j. So what is the value of I? 4i and minus 2j. 4i minus 2j, the final answer is 2i. And 0j plus 4j plus 4j. Good. That is the value of AB, and we will use it later on when we will find its value of DC. Then we will put the value of equation number 1. Now we have to find DC. How to find DC? They are also unit vectors, so unit of notation of unit vector you have to apply it compulsory. Okay. So DC is equal to good OC minus OD. जो last में होता है you have to write it first. OC minus OD. And what is the value of OC? From here, good. I plus 6j. What is the value of OD? Good. Xi plus yj. So we have to open the bracket. So I plus 6j minus xi and minus yj. Good. So more simplify. What is its answer? Yes. What is the solution of these both? Good. Because it's not possible to add, because variable is not same. Like here 4 plus 2 both are constant terms, so we can subtract or add, but here is x and here is 1, so you have to take I common and you will write like that 1 minus xi plus, in the same way but we will write the next one. Good. 6 minus y into j, that is the component of DC, right? Now we have to put the value of AB and DC in equation number 1, then we will get the final result. So from equation 1 you can write from equation 1, or you can also write that put the value of AB and DC in equation 1 or from equation 1, both are correct way. From equation 1, so AB is equal to DC. What is the value of AB? That I will also mention it here, then you will be not confused. That is value of DC. So AB is equal to 2i plus 4j. First we write AB, 2i plus 4j. After that equal sign, so we have to apply the equal sign. Then DC, what is the value of DC? We find out 1 minus x into I, 1 minus x into I plus 6 minus y into j. Now what to do? Good. What sign between them? Equal. So I component is equal to I component and j component is equal to j, then we will get the value of x and y. So what is the I component here? This and this. So 2 is equal to 1 minus x. I no need to write. Otherwise if you will not write the bracket, it is also okay. So, and here the next value is equal to 4 is equal to 6 minus y. Mean I component is equal to I and j component is equal to j. We have to find the value of x. So what is the value of x? Here is minus x shifting on this side and 2 shifting other side. So 1 minus 2, so x is equal to minus 1. Here also same procedure, y shifting on this side, y is equal to 6 minus 4, so y is equal to 2. So x and y is equal to minus 1 comma 2, and the both are the values of x and y, the coordinate of D. Okay, got it? In this way our question is solved. Here one more thing I want to explain. Here we find the value of AB is equal to DC. These two lengths we make equal. Same method apply, that you can find the value of BC is equal to AD. How to find? BC is equal to AD. Find out and tell me that answer is same or not. BC is equal to AD. Use this method and find out the value is the same or not. One is assignment this one, and second is also I want to explain its second part. Its second part, he is saying that one, if the diagram ADBC is a parallelogram. What is the second part of this question? ADBC is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. So what is the difference of this and this question? Here he said ABCD is a parallelogram. It means that now we have to make the diagram in such a way like that. अब मुझे mention करेंगे. So here the first coordinate is A, then after that this one D, and this coordinate B, and this last coordinate is that one. What is that? This coordinate is C. So ADBC, the vector notation use you like that. And then we have to find the value of D. Then how to write that? Like this one. How to write it here to find if ADBC? We have to find D. D we have to assume that same way. Let D is the coordinate of X and Y are the coordinate of D. Let we assume that X Y coordinate of the D, then find the value of D. Then how to find? Here we will find AD is equal to, who is that? CB. Good. So AD is equal to CB. You have to make the both are equal and find the value of D. This is your assignment. So solve it now and show me the answer. And the homework is that question number 8, question number 9, question number 10, question number 11. They are all same. So that is your assignment. You have to solve till question number 11, question number 12 and 14 and 15. I will deliver the lecture of question number 12 and 14 and 15 inshallah. Next lecture. Hope all of you clear? Good. Hurry up. Start to solve this two assignment now. Then show me. Take care and thank you.